We're told q of x is a cubic polynomial. That means it has the form ax cubed plus bx squared plus cx plus d. And our job is to figure out the values of a, b, c, and d using this information down here. That is, we're told that when I plug 1 into this expression, I get 4. So let's go ahead and plug in 1. When I do, I get 1 cubed is 1 times a is a, 1 squared is 1 times b is b, plus c plus d. All of this equals 4. Then I'm told when I take 1 and plug it into the derivative, I get 9. Let's do the derivative work over here to the right. The derivative, q prime, of this expression will be 3ax squared plus bx, or 2bx, plus c. Let's take the next two derivatives because we're going to need those as well. So this is the second derivative. This is going to be 6ax plus 2b, and the derivative of that expression will be just 6a. All right, we're told that when I plug 1 into this expression, I get 9. So when I plug 1 in here, I get 3a times 1 squared is just 3a, plus 2b times 1 is 2b, plus c needs to equal 9. Let's do the same exact thing for the second derivative. When I plug in 1 here, I'm supposed to get 14. That's going to give me 6a plus 2b equals 14. And then lastly, have 6a needs to equal 18. Okay, I have 4 equations. Now I need to use these 4 equations to determine the values of a, b, c, and d. Let's start at the very bottom. This should be the easiest one to work with. Here we're told 6a equals 18. That just tells me a is 3. Now I can take this a equals 3, plug it into this equation to find the value of b. 3 times 6 is 18. Subtract that from 14 to get negative 4, and then divide both sides by 2 to tell me that b equals negative 2. Take a equals 3 and b equals negative 2, plug them in here, and we get 3 times 3 is 9. Subtract the 9 from that gives me 0. 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. And if I add 4 over to the right, I get simply c equals 4. And then lastly, I'm going to take 3, negative 2, and 4, plug them into this equation to find that we see if 3 minus 2 is 1, plus 4 is 5, plus d equals 4. That tells me d equals negative 1. So now that I have the values of a, b, c, and d, I can actually figure out what this polynomial is. So q of x equals 3x cubed minus 2x squared plus 4x minus 1. I've just taken the values of a, b, c, and d and plugged them into the appropriate places in q of x. And the last thing, the thing we're being asked to do in this problem, is find q of negative 1. So what if I plug negative 1 to this function up here? Negative 1 cubed is negative 1 times 3 is negative 3. Negative 1 squared is 1 times negative 2 is negative 2. Negative 1 times 4 is negative 5 minus 1. So this gives me minus 3 minus 2, not minus 5. I don't know why that's there. Minus negative 1 times 4 is minus 4. There we go. Minus 3 minus 2 minus 4 minus 1 all equals negative 10.